If you want to save time and reduce manual work, automating tasks in Jira is a powerful feature you should start using. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to automate tasks in Jira step by step, even if you have zero experience. Automation helps you handle repetitive actions like assigning tasks, updating statuses, and sending notifications without manual effort. To get started, log into your Jira account and open the project where you want to create automation. Then go to Project Settings and look for the Automation option. Click on it to open the automation dashboard. Next, click on Create Rule. Jira provides pre-built templates, but you can also create a custom rule. Start by choosing a trigger. A trigger defines when the automation should run, such as when an issue is created, updated, or transitioned to a different status. After selecting the trigger, add conditions if needed. Conditions allow you to control when the rule should execute. For example, you can set a condition to run the automation only if the issue priority is high. Now, add actions. Actions define what Jira should do automatically. Common actions include assigning an issue to a user, sending an email notification, updating fields, or changing the issue status. You can also use branches and advanced logic to create more complex automation workflows. This allows you to handle multiple scenarios within a single rule. Once your rule is ready, click Save and then enable it. Without enabling, the automation will not run. After activation, test your rule by performing the trigger action and checking if the automation works correctly. Jira also provides an audit log where you can monitor automation activity and troubleshoot any issues. In short, automating tasks in Jira involves creating rules with triggers, conditions, and actions, then enabling and testing them. Now that you understand the process, start automating your tasks and make your workflow faster and more efficient. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.